Hello, my name is Maria Younger. I'm a professor at the University of Texas at Austin, and I'm also an ACI vice president. I'm pleased to tell you more about a unique virtual conference the American Concrete Institute is holding this summer. This will be the fourth time ACI is organizing this conference, so you may already be familiar with it. Here's a brief description to remind you the concept and structure of the 24 hours of concrete knowledge. If you've ever wanted to take a trip around the world, here's your chance. Let me tell you how. You may have heard of 24 Hours of Le Mans, which is an annual endurance car race held every summer in Le Mans, France. In the spirit of that race, ACI, in conjunction with our industry partners and chapters from all over the world, is hosting the 24 Hours of Concrete Knowledge Conference. It's a virtual trip around the world with no endurance training required. The ACI event will feature 48 consecutive presentations on timely topics, 2 from each partner and chapter, and there will be opportunities for live questions and answers after each presentation. You choose the ones that are convenient for your time zone and your interests. Best of all, it's free for attendees.
My name is Michael Paul. I'm Principal Structural Engineer at Larson & Landis, and I'm the current president of the American Concrete Institute, ACI. What Maria said is correct. Free, but registration is required, which will give you access to the recordings of all 24 hours of presentations a few months after the live 24 hours of concrete knowledge is completed. You can join us in Iraq, Brazil, New Zealand, Japan, Greece, Thailand, or Spain to hear local experts' latest findings about concrete. Then, after the conference is completed, you can view the presentations that you missed. The ACI international chapters and partners who volunteered to participate as co-hosts have reviewed the latest research, trends, and studies from their countries and have selected the best concrete-related research to share with you and with other interested attendees from all over the world. Presentations will include the role of self-healing concrete in sustainable construction, engineered biochar as a carbon sequester in cementitious composites, and tips on shotcrete, to name just a few. The Zoom conference will begin on July 9th, 2024 at 2:00 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and will end 24 hours later on July 10th, 2024 at 2:00 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Registration is open now, so please register as soon as you can. As global moderators for the conference, Maria and I look forward to seeing you at the 24 Hours of Concrete Knowledge Conference. Thank you.